Hello guys, today we are here at Hewainna Waterfall that's in India and near Kumariala. So it's really beautiful here and we're gonna enjoy the moment here, take some good photos and have a good swim and go back home. So I'll show you some good videos here. Waterfall and it might look scary but it is not, trust me. And just look at this beautiful waterfall, it's crystal water and well, I really love this place and we had a great swim. If you come here, make sure just to enjoy this place and keep it as it is, as it's really beautiful, no bolting or anything, so leave it as it is and just enjoy yourself, take pictures and take a good swim and yeah, that's how you should do. So yeah, we're gonna stay here for a bit and take another swim because it's been a long time that I had a swim and the water is really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna take another swim and go home. It's a really cool place to relax and yeah, enjoy the day. So we did, of course, here. So yeah, I would highly recommend this place for family or friends. Come and enjoy your day. Yeah, I don't want to go home, but we have to. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.